Back up! Back up! You guys are way too close.
Jack, Bella.
Lisa, back up!
We currently buried Allie, trying to get the seagulls.
Everybody back this way. Back up! Come on.
This is should totally go on YouTube.
Everybody by Katie. Hey, back up! Back up! Everybody by Katie.
Oh, I'm too far now.
Are you taking a video?
No, picture.
So we're doing that. Yeah. I don't know if you can hear Allie. She's dying under there. She's laughing really hard.
Guys, if the seagulls don't come, we all go and attack her. No.
Yeah.
Start looking at her head like a seagull. You won't even know. Oh, Jack! They're finally coming.
We're
putting them all over her.
Oh, did I get there? Amazing.
Oh my god.
Here they go.
Oh my god!
You won't take the ones on your face.